Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how you can add animated GIF support to Windows Photo Viewer. First, you can enable Windows Photo Viewer via this script reg file. You can copy this, save it as .reg file and run it, or download it and run it, which will enable older Windows Photo Viewer, which is in my opinion best lightweight photo viewer on Windows. After you do that, you can go to my link in the description, Windows Photo Viewer GIF support. You can download it. It will contain exe file, which is this one. You can go to program files, come down to Windows Photo Viewer and paste it here. After you do that, all that left is assign this application as a default photo viewer. You can right click on the image, open with, choose another app, come down, scroll down, look for another app on this PC, go to Windows Photo Viewer and select this. After that's done, don't forget to select this, so it will always open with that application. You will be able to use the viewer for the images. You can do the same on all other formats, for example GIF, GPG or PNG. Okay. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you like the app, you can start it on the GitHub. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.